Encountered an EFP template file from Microsoft Exchange Forms Designer? These contain custom form definitions for Exchange messaging. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these Exchange Forms Designer template files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade EFP file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. EFP files are template files used by Microsoft Exchange Forms Designer, a tool for creating custom electronic forms that work within Microsoft Exchange messaging systems. They contain form layout definitions, field specifications, validation rules, and routing logic for business workflows, like expense reports, leave requests, and approvals. Exchange Forms Designer EFP files use a proprietary format, storing form layout, XML field definitions, VBScript validation, logic, message, routing rules, and Exchange-specific metadata. The format integrates with Outlook clients and Exchange Server, enabling structured electronic forms for business process automation within the Microsoft messaging ecosystem. The fundamental software link for EFP files is built around Microsoft Exchange Server by Microsoft Corporation. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows renders limited formatting, so full editing must be done with compatible software. The problem is often a missing file association. Right-click the EFP file and choose Open With. Start with Microsoft Exchange Server, if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your EFP file will not open yet, do not panic. A format as specific as EFP will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, opening an Exchange Forms Designer. Launch. Microsoft Exchange Forms Designer typically included with Exchange Server tools or older Outlook installations. Use File, then Open, and select the EFP file. The designer loads the form template displaying its layout fields and logic for editing or deployment to an Exchange environment. Next, migrating to modern forms. Since Exchange Forms Designer is legacy software, consider migrating EFP forms to modern alternatives like Microsoft Power Apps, SharePoint Forms, or Microsoft Forms. These modern platforms provide equivalent business form functionality with web-based access, mobile compatibility, and integration with Microsoft 365 services. Finally, importing to Outlook. Open Outlook with developer access and use File. Then Open, then choose Form. Browse to publish the EFP form to Personal Forms Library, Organizational Forms Library, or a public folder. Once published, the form is available for use in Outlook supporting structured data entry and Exchange-based workflow automation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.